Hello everyone, greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our electric strapping machine. Item number ORT-200. This machine is one machine and two battery, one charger, standard set. And here is also digital control. This one here is for the welding time, and this is stand for the battery. Here is for the tension force. You can press these two buttons to control. This button here is for the tensioner, and this one is for welding and cutting. Now, let's see how it works. First of all, you need to put the straps onto the cotton. This machine also works for both PP and PE straps. Press this handle, put the straps on, press the tensioner. Okay, press this button. See the light striking, and after it is done, okay, press this handle, remove it. See, it's very nicely. This machine, the motor is imported. It's imported from the Swiss, so quality is much better. Any questions? Please contact us. Thank you for watching.